tips you need to know before your Gulf job journey. Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into an essential guide for anyone planning to join a job in the Gulf region. From medical tests to packing tips, I've got you covered. Let's get started. Tip 1. GAMCA Medical Tests. First things first, after your interview, you need to complete your GAMCA medical tests. This is crucial. Here's how to go about it. Tip 2. Getting your medical slip. Link provided in my description box to get your medical slip online. It costs around 1,500 rupees and is valid for 1 month. The medical tests themselves will set you back approximately 7,000 to 8,000 rupees. Tip 3. Prepare for your medical appointment. My advice. Get to the medical center early around 9 a.m. Bring your original passport, the medical slip, and cash. And here's a tip. Make sure you are in good health, no fever, cold, or cough, otherwise you might waste your money. Tip 4. Checking your results. After your medical tests, you can check your fitness results online after 3 p.m. The physical reports will usually be ready by 5 p.m., but sometimes they might take a day. So, plan to stay in Hyderabad for at least 2 days. Tip 5. Packing essentials. Next, let's talk packing. You can bring up to 30 kilograms. I recommend 2 bags, one for clothes, accessories, and important documents, and another for food and daily necessities. Don't forget a side bag for your passport, money, phone, charger, visa copy, and some local currency. Tip 6. Arriving at the airport. Arrive at the airport at least 3 hours early. Complete baggage checking and get your boarding pass so you can spend quality time with family and friends before you board. Tip 7. Airport lounge access. If you have certain debit cards, like HDFC Platinum, check if you can access free lounges for food and relaxation. Tip 8. Connecting after landing. Once you land your destination, for example in Oman, complete your immigration process, then collect your luggage and connect to the free airport Wi-Fi. Send a quick message to your family letting them know you arrived safely. Tip 9. Getting a local SIM card. Buy a local SIM card at the airport for better communication. Ask your friends or colleagues for recommendations like Ooredoo network in Oman. Tip 10. Staying connected. Stay connected with your employer and friends for the first few days. Avoid going too far from your company accommodation until you get your local ID card. Finally, here are 5 more important safety tips while you are going out in Gulf. 1. Look both ways when crossing roads. 2. Always carry your visa copy and passport. 3. Avoid unknown taxis. Stick to local apps like Otaxi if you can. 4. Charge your mobile fully and save important contacts. 5. Stay with colleagues whenever possible. Thanks for watching. I hope these tips help you on your journey to the Gulf. If you found this video helpful, please share it with anyone you know who is considering a job in the Gulf region. Safe travels and best of luck.
This is all about today's topic. Thanks for watching Funny EHS Info. And don't forget to subscribe our channel to get immediate notification of our videos. Share our videos to your friends and colleagues to create safety awareness. If you have any questions and requirements, please comment in comment box.